Alright, this is another view of the ravine. You can tell the falls are back there, and there's a smaller waterfall right there. You can get an idea of just how big this ravine is and just how deep it goes. It's very jagged. The interesting thing is, despite the slant and high altitude, these trees are still managing to grow. Their roots are, it's because their roots are firmly anchored in the ground. But the interesting thing is, when you get dead trees and limbs that fall down in the ravine there, they create like small islands with patches of soil, and they allow other trees and plants to grow on them. So you can tell right there just what happens. This much is certain: nature is an amazing engineer. Just what she can do, just with all the beauty and everything, it's something.